Just got a quick video. I've had a few people ask me a few questions about how I've set up my racksbrax system on my awning on the roof rack of my car, so I thought I'd quickly come out here and show you. So just got to climb up here and get out of this tree. So if you have a look there's the racksbrax system there. Here's my original FJ roof rack here. Now what I've done is, you might be able to see there, I've bolted this bracket here right through these steel beams here with some big long bolts, stainless steel bolts, and put washers and that on the inside. On the top here to keep it straight because of the angle, I actually went out to Bunnings and I bought this 2-inch water pipe mounting piece, cut it in half on my bandsaw, and I've sat that up the top part there. That gives me a nice straight edge there on the edge of it. So that's how I've attached it. Same on the front down there, and on the very front of the car I might quickly go down there and show you. I bought a little bracket from, where did I buy it? I bought it from Supercheap, and it's actually a bracket you use for mounting up lights on a bull bar, and it's just the right width there. So that's on the front there, keeps this nice and solid. So I've got one mounting bracket here, then I've got a racksbrax there, another one there. So, oops, nearly tripped over. So that's how I've done it. Just thought I'd show you this quick video. I had a few people ask, so I hope this answers your questions, and see you on the next one. Cheers.